There, so you want to know how you can go ahead and fix Twitch not streaming. So there are a lot of reasons why you could be facing this problem. One could be your stream key. Two, it could also be your software. Three, it could be your internet. So let's just get straight into this video. So first things first, let's just get straight onto with the Twitch account. Simply go ahead and search for twitch.tv, go into your channel and simply go ahead into your creator dashboard. Here is going to be your stream manager. As you can see, make sure that everything is right over here. Right, so if you go ahead into your settings, you can go ahead into your stream settings, and this is where you can go ahead and fix things. So first things first, latency mode, make sure it is on low latency. Clips could be enabled, as you can see, and simply the thing is you can simply try to reset your primary stream key. And now go ahead and copy that. Make sure that you have pasted it onto your OBS properly, onto your settings, onto your stream, and on your stream key. Simply go ahead and paste it and click on apply. If you don't click on apply, it could not be streaming well as well. So go ahead and recheck your stream settings one more time. So for example, on your stream, make sure that your service is right, make sure that your stream key is right. You could also choose a nearby server in order for you to go ahead and get a better latency in order to stream. And the other thing you can do is simply go ahead and play around with your output settings. Make sure it's on advanced. Put your bitrate on constant bitrate rather than variable bitrate, right? And make sure that your bitrate matches with your internet speed. If you have a very slow internet speed, you could be streaming anywhere from 3000 to 5000 kbps. But if your internet is good, 10K to even 15K should be fine. Make sure that other things are not taking your GPU CUDA cores or even your CPU encoders, right? You could also go ahead and enable custom encoders if you want. You can also go ahead into your videos and make sure that your output resolution is right. And yeah, that is about it. Make sure that you are always using your NVENC in order for you to go ahead and encode for your stream, and you should be set. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.